We're getting a Model Y in soon, and one of the first things that we're going to be doing to it is putting on new Vossen wheels.
Not Model Y.
It's a Model Y.
It's a Model 3, dog.
It's a Model 3. God. We've seen this setup before on a Model 3 in 20s. However, this is a 19-inch setup, so it looks a little different, which is why I want to show you guys this. For those of you who typically want to go down in size, especially if your Model 3s came 20s, but now you want 19s, this is a kind of a good reference as to what it'll look like. And as I mentioned earlier, the Model 3 is coming in for more than just wheels. We're going to be doing a chrome delete. So once we're done with the wrap, I'll show you the whole finished product. We're doing satin black for all the chrome trims that you see. So here's what the final product looks like. Typically 19-inch wheels don't have much concavity compared to 20s, but these look pretty good, especially the rears. The satin black finish matches perfectly with the new chrome delete, and we did red accents for the T logos front and rear. Like usual, fitment from Vossen is always great, so the wheels come out to the fenders way more than the factory wheels ever did, so you get that nice fitted look. If you want to see what these look like as 20s, we do have a video of a Model 3 on our channel with these on, so check that out.